In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connector lines in Figma Design Files. Connectors are a fast way to show relationships and flow between elements, which is perfect for quick diagrams, user journeys, or simple layouts. We'll start right from the Figma website, move into a blank canvas, create a few shapes, and then link them with bendable connector lines you can fine-tune to match your design. Open the Figma website in your browser, and from your homepage, click FigJam to start a new file. You'll land on a clean canvas where we can place a few shapes and try out connectors. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we need is in the top toolbar. Create 3 squares on your canvas. Use the Shape tool and draw them one by one. For neat, equal sides, you can hold the Shift key as you drag and space them out so you have a little room between each one. Place them in a row or in a triangle, whatever layout makes sense for the flow you want to show. With your shapes in place, look back to the same toolbar and choose the Bend connector. This tool lets you create lines that automatically attach to your shapes. Click on the edge of the first square, then drag the connector to the second square until you see it snap to the shape. Release to set the connection. Repeat the process to connect the rest of your squares so they're all linked. Now click one of those connectors to refine its path. As you drag along the line, you'll see bend points you can pull to create a smooth curve or a sharper elbow. Gently drag the middle of the connector to arc it around your content. Do the same on the other connector so both lines bend the way you want. If a line passes too close to an object, pull the bend point outward to route it cleanly around. You can also drag an end point to a different side of a square. The connector stays attached to the shape and smartly snaps to the nearest edge. Adjust everything to your preference. Nudge the shapes and notice the connectors follow along automatically. Zoom in for precise control and use the handles to fine-tune the curves until the flow is easy to read and uncluttered. The goal is a clear, readable connection that explains your layout at a glance. And that's it. You opened Figma, created 3 squares, used the Bend connector to link them, and refined the lines so they curve exactly how you want. Simple, tidy, and ready to share.